Politics or public life is not about winning or losing election. That is for transactional politicians, which most of the politicians here are. For them, it's a business enterprise. So if you lose the election or you're not in position, your business is not doing well. That is not something for me. For me, politics and public life is about transformational, trying to change the society. Before I went into politics, I lived in the UK and I participated in, I've been to Afghanistan, I've been to Rwanda, I've been to Haiti, I've been to Philippines on missions like that. So it is not about winning or losing election. When I was a governor and there was an earthquake in Haiti, I went to President Jonathan and I said, I want to go to Haiti. And he said, why? I said, I want to go and help them to rebuild. They just have an earthquake. And he said, when? I said, I'm leaving in 2 days' time. I've even withdrawn my son from school. We are going to Haiti. Go and ask the Nigerian ambassador in the Caribbean then. Go and ask the police people. As I knew the Nigerian police even worked in Haiti. Go and ask them. I was in Haiti for 1 week, helping them to rebuild. Bob Manuel, the actor, went back when I raised about $200,000 for them to help them rebuild. So this is what I used to do. Since I left office, I visited over 150 schools, hospitals, everything, I've been to schools in Sokoto, Nasarawa, Kogi, every part of Nigeria. If you ask Governor Tambawal, he will tell you that I was in Sokoto. He gave me the card to take me to a school in the border of Nigeria and the other country. And he asked me, what did you consider come to visit schools? Let me even come home to what is very sweet. On the 10th of this month, I was in Good Shepherd Hospital in Enugu, run by Bishop Chukwuma. On the 11th, I was in Philomena Hospital in Benin, big hospital run by the Catholic Diocese of Benin. On the 17th, I was in Holy Ghost Hospital and the School of Nursing in Emekuku in Owerri. Just 2 days ago, I was in Madonna School of Nursing in Umuahia. All these places I visited, I've not spent less than 1.5 million trying to help. If you look at my life between the time I was in office and today, you can't see any difference. I'm saying, let's raise the politicians who practice it the way it's practiced all over the world. You don't need to be in office. Being in office might help me to do more, but you don't need to be in office to do what you're supposed to do.